So pretty much the last thing I wanted to show you is, well, this is the Montée de la Barnerie. This is the road I'm staying at. Normally you would think that at the start of a road it starts with 1 or 2, depending on the side. Now this one starts with 10. Okay, the other side has 5. So logic dictates the next one's 20 and 10. No, there can't be 10. Well, what do you reckon? Next one is going to be either 9 or 8 or 100. Place your bets. Well, that's 55. Ooh, what have we got here? 60. Nice. 70. Cool. So we'll go from 10 to 60 and 70 and 55 on the other side. Huh. Now I am at 170, I believe. Now this is a live track, so you'll see how long it will take me. Oh well, we're at number 100 already. Cool. So after 100 comes, this is probably the same building. 135, of course. Who comes up with these numbers? It says a random lottery. Weird. Maybe, here we are, 170. Well, gotta laugh. Let me show you around. Because this is rather a nice place, except for the Wi-Fi. That's me for the rest of the afternoon, for sure. After 3 weeks of cycling and walking in France, I think I earn an afternoon off. So this is me. I'm staying here for a couple of days now, and it really is a wonderful place, except for the mosquitoes at night. And the Wi-Fi, that's more than slow. In fact, yesterday was the only day so far I had some sort of connectivity at all. And the owner knows it, very nice guy. So he says next year there'll be fiber. So do check out the Domaine de la Barnerie if you're near Rouen and Valence-Pont-d'Arc in the Ardèche. Well, might just well show you the insides as well. Now we're here. Oh, it's going to be dark, right? It's nice and roomy. There's actually an extra bedroom here and some weird contraption. Bathroom's rather nice. Everything there that you want. And fully equipped kitchen. And well, a bedroom. So this pretty much sums up my time in France, the last almost 3.5 weeks. I'll try and do a video on plus and minuses that I've encountered. So if you're ever going to go out on a bike packing trip, that might help you. And I'll definitely do a rundown on the Rondo. It's actually behaved, spoiler alert, pretty perfect, except for yesterday. But I'll fill you in on that one. And yeah, that's it for now. I'm off to the swimming pool, and I'll talk to you later. So happy cycling out there, and stay safe. Yeah, see ya, bye.